Now, student number 17 from arithmetic and geometric progression file, and it's from October November 16, paper 1-1. And the question is the sum of first and the second term of geometric progression is 50. The sum of first T1 plus T2 equals to 50. And the sum of second and third term, T2 plus T3 is 30. Find the sum up to infinity. It's a geometric progression. For sum up to infinity, we need A over 1 minus R, means A and R is unknown. First of all, we have to make two equations. Solving them simultaneously will get the value of A and R. Wahan se sum up to infinity aa jayega. So now, the first term of geometric progression is A, and the second term is AR equals to 50. The second term is AR, and the third term is AR squared equals to 30. So now, AR common, it will be 1 plus R. Here it is, A common, it will be 1 plus R equals to 50. And the value of A is 50 divided by 1 plus R. अगर यहाँ पर second equation में A की जगह पर रखते हैं 50 divided by 1 plus R. Here it is R, multiply by 1 plus R equals to 30. 1 plus R cancel out. 50R equals to 30. And the value of R is 3 over 5. If the value of R is 3 over 5, then what is the value of A? 50 divided by 1 plus 3 over 5. Yes, what is the value of A? After cancellations, what is the final answer? It is 31.25 A. So therefore, sum up to infinity is 31.25 divided by 1 minus R. What is the answer? 78.1. This is the final answer, sum up to infinite. A question of 6 marks. Okay, students, now question number 19 from your past paper file. Question number 19. It is from October November 16, paper 1-2. The first part is a cyclist completes a long distance charity event across Africa. The total distance is 3050 kilometers. He starts the event on 1st May and cycles 200 kilometers on that day. On each subsequent day, he reduced the distance by 5 kilometers. How far will he travel on 15th May? अब सुनिएगा. The first day is 1st May को इसने कितना distance cover किया? 200. Right? Second day को कितना cover करेगा? 195. Third day को कितना cover करेगा? 190. It's an arithmetic progression. 15th May को हमें T15 calculate करना है. So now, by the help of formula, T15 Tn equals to A plus n minus 1, and the common difference is minus 5. Second term minus first term. What is the answer? 130 is the result. 130 kilometer is the result. And after that, in the second part, on what date will he finish the event? तमाम distance का sum कितना हो जाए? 3050. Because the total distance he has to cover is 3050. So sum of all distances is equal to 3050. We have to calculate n किस term पर जाकर complete होता है ये distance by using the formula n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1, common difference minus 5, equals to 3050. Now, 3050 multiplied by 2 will be 6100 is this. Now, 400 plus 5 is 405, n minus 5n squared equals to 6100. Now 5n squared minus 405n plus 6100. What are the two values of n? 61 and 20. 61 and 20. 61 and 20. अब आप देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या लिखा हुआ है जनाब. A cyclist completes a long distance Saturday event across Africa. The total distance is this. He starts the event on May 1st and cycles 200 kilometers on that day. On each subsequent day, he reduces the distance by 5 kilometers. How far will he travel on 15th May? The first part, 130. And second one, on what date he will finish the event. अब आप देखिए on what date. तो जनाब ये जो रिजल्ट आ रहा है हमारे पास किस में आ रहा है? ये डेट में आ रहा है. तो 61 तो डेट हो नहीं सकती, 61 में नहीं हो सकता. तो दैट्स वाई इसको रिजेक्ट किया गया. और 20th मई को जनाब हमने ये इवेंट कंप्लीट कर लिया. आर यू क्लियर? 20th May is the date. After that, in the next part, in the B part, a geometric progression is such that the third term is 8 times. Third term is 8 times the sixth term. Third term is okay. क्या कहा गया जनाब? कंडीशन क्या दी गई? थर्ड टर्म इज 8 times the sixth term. So T3 equals to 8 times T6 and the sum of the first 6 terms. S6 आपको दे दिया गया 31.5. Find the first term of the progression. According to this condition, T3 को हम लिख सकते हैं AR squared 8 times T6 को लिख सकते हैं AR power 5. AR power 5, right? A and A cancel out. R squared ने cancel किया. It is cube now. So it is 1/8 equals to R cube. And the value of R is cube root of 8 is 1/2. Yes, cube root of 8 is 2 and the answer is 1/2. R आपके पास आ गया. We have to calculate the first term. We have to calculate the first term of the progression. Sum का formula, sum आपको दिया गया 31.5. What is the formula for sum? A R power n. R आपके पास मौजूद है 1/2 power n. N is 6 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 half minus 1 equals to 31.6. Now this will be A times 1/2 power 6 and 2 power 6 will be 64 minus 1 divided by half minus 1 is minus half equals to 31.6. Now, what is the value of A? What is the value of A by this? 16 is the value of A. जब इसको solve किया गया, then the value of A is 16. So this is B1. First, we calculated the value of R and then by the help of some formula, we calculated the value of A. Second one, find out the sum up to infinity. So therefore, the second part, sum up to infinity will be A over 1 minus R. A is 16 over 1 minus R is half. So answer is 32. The answer is 32. Hopefully the question is clear. It is basically not 6, it is basically 31.5, right? Now, students, question number 23, the next question of progression. It's of May June 15 paper 1-1. The first part is, yes Alicia here, the third and the fourth term of geometric progression are this. The third term T3 is 1/3 and T4 is 2/9. Find the sum to infinity. Sum up to infinity हमें calculate करना है, means we need A and R. We need A and R. सुनिएगा बेटा, T3 and T4 आपको गिवन दी गई, रेशो कैसे निकलेगा? T4 डिवाइडेड बाय T3. आपको मालूम है रेशो कैसे निकलता है, सेकंड डिवाइडेड बाय फर्स्ट, थर्ड डिवाइडेड बाय सेकंड, fourth divided by third, and so on. So the fourth term is 2/9. This one is 1/3. What is the answer? 2/3 is the result. After that, T3 is 1/3. So I'm writing that AR is squared equals to 1/3. The value of A is 2/3. R is squared equals to 1/3. 3 and 3 cancel out. R is equals to 1/√2. R is equals to 1/√2. Are you clear? And after, we'll get the value of R and the value of, sorry, इसमें हमें R की वैल्यू रखना थी, हमने A की जगह पर रख दी. मैं इसको दोबारा कर रहा हूं सॉल्व. Now, T3 is AR squared equals to 1/3. The value of R is 2/3. So 2/3 का square will be 4/9 equals to 1/3. And therefore the value of A will be 3 3s are 9. The value of A will be 3/4. Therefore, sum up to infinity is A is 3/4. 1 minus R is 2/3. What is the final answer of sum up to infinity? What is the final answer of sum up to infinity? 9/4 is the final answer for sum up to infinity. Clear? Any confusion? Now, in the second part is about circle. A circle is divided into 5 sectors. A circle is divided into 5 sectors. Let's say here is the first sector, second, third, fourth, and the fifth sector. Right? In such a way that the angles of the sectors are in arithmetic progression. Let's say this is first A, B, C, D, E. They all are in arithmetic progression. Given that the angle of the largest sector means E. Angle of the largest sector is 4 times the angle of the smallest sector. यहां पर पूछा जाता है कि सर ये कैसे मालूम होगा कि लार्जेस्ट सेक्टर ही ई है? बिकॉज इट्स एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में इंक्रीमेंट होता जा रहा है, तो सबसे लास्ट टर्म क्या होगी? लार्जेस्ट टर्म होगी. राइट नाउ अब देखिएगा, फर्स्ट टर्म को हम क्या लिखते हैं? ए. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में सेकेंड टर्म क्या होती है? ए प्लस बी. थर्ड टर्म क्या होती है? ए प्लस 2d. फोर्थ टर्म क्या है? a plus 3d. फिफ्थ टर्म क्या है? a plus 4d. Now, sum of all angles equals to 2 pi or 360. 2 pi or 360 किसी भी आप रेडियन में करें चाहे डिग्रीज में करें, the both are correct. What is E? E is a plus 4d equals to 4a. And now 4a minus a is 3a equals to 4d, and the value of a is 4/3d. a आ गया in terms of d. Next, sum of all equals to 2 pi. sum of all कर रहे हैं जनाब. a कितने हैं हमारे पास? 5. d कितने हैं हमारे पास? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 5 plus 10d equals to कितना हो गया? 2 pi. equals to कितना हो गया? 2 pi. And now divide the whole by 2. Sorry, division possible नहीं है. a की वैल्यू 4/3 रखते हैं यहाँ पर. 4d/3 plus 10d equals to 2 pi. So it will be 50d upon 3 equals to 2 pi. And what is the value of d now? What is the value of d now? Calculate the value of d. Three upon 25 pi is the value of d. What we have to calculate? Find the angle of the largest sector. Find the angle of the largest sector. So E equals to क्या हो जाएगा? A plus 4D. A is D की वैल्यू हमारे पास मौजूद है. A की वैल्यू आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. What is the value of A? अगर मैं D को रिप्लेस कर दूं यहां पर, D की जगह पर हम लिख रहे हैं 3/25 pi. So it will be 4/25 pi. 4/25 pi. This is the value of A. A की जगह रखते हैं 4/25 pi plus 4 times D की जगह रखते हैं 3/25 pi. What is the final answer? 16/25 pi is the final result. 16/25 pi is the final result. आप इसको डेसिमल में भी लिख सकते हैं और एग्जैक्ट आंसर भी दे सकते हैं. The both are correct. Are you clear? Question number 25 is of May June 15 paper 1-2. First part is the first, second, and the last term of an arithmetic progression is this. T1, first, second, and the last term. First term is 56, second term is 53, and the last term is -22. Find the sum of all the terms. Find the sum of all the terms. Sum calculate करने के लिए we must know the value of A जो हमारे पास है. A is 56, D -3, N नहीं है तो Sn कैलकुलेट करने के लिए N होना चाहिए कि कितनी टर्म्स हैं इस. राइट, कैलकुलेट करते हैं जनाब. देखिएगा Sn का फॉर्मूला क्या है. Sn equals to n/2. सॉरी, अगर हम Tn का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें, Tn कितना है? -22. So A plus n-1 and the common difference is -3 equals to -22. So what is the value of n according to this? Yes, 22 plus 56 -78. So what is the value of n? 78 divided by 3. 26 plus 1 is 27. N कितना आ गया? 27 आ गया. And after that S27 आपने कैलकुलेट करना है. S27 equals to n/2. Use your calculators. 2A plus n-1 and the common difference is -3. Use your calculators. $459. This is the sum up to 27 terms. Are you clear? Second, part B. देखिएगा जरा. What we have in this part B? The first, second, and the third term of geometric progressions are. क्या कहा गया part B में? The first, second, and third term of GP are this, and this. Find the value of K. How to calculate the value of K? Geometric progression में this is T1, this is T2, and this is T3. Geometric progression में हमें मालूम है common ratio same होता है, तो हम लिख सकते हैं T2 divided by T1 is equal to T3 divided by T2, isn't it? Common ratio is same. Common ratio is same. So now T2 is 2k, and T1 is 2k plus 6 equals to T3 is k plus 2 and T2 is 2k. अब आप देखिए एक इक्वेशन बन गई in terms of k. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो k की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. By cross multiplication it is 4k square equals to cross multiplication 2k square plus 4k plus 6k plus 12. 2k square, 4k square minus 2k square is 2k square minus 10k minus 12 equal to 0. What are the values of k? Where k is a positive constant. Where k is a positive constant, so the value of k is 6. So the value of k is 6. And after that, find out the sum up to infinity. Find out the sum up to infinity. अब सुनिएगा जरा, अगर k हमारे पास 6 आ गया, if k is 6, then the first term is 2k plus 6 will be 18, and the second term will be 12, and the third term will be 8, and so on. So sum up to infinity will be a over 1 minus r, and the r will be 12 over 18. What is the final answer? What is the final answer? 54 is the final result. 54 is the final result. Sum up to infinity of the question. Okay, students, here in question number 27, what the question is, first term of arithmetic progression is minus 2, 2, 2, and 2. And the common difference is 17. Find the value of the first positive term. We have to calculate the value of the first positive term. How to calculate the first positive term? पहले हमें ये चेक करना है first positive term किस नंबर पर है. I am using the formula Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव टर्म, अब हमें नहीं मालूम क्या होगी, 1 होगी, 2 होगी, 3 होगी, 4 होगी, कुछ भी हो सकती है. आई एम यूजिंग Tn इक्वल्स टू 0, क्योंकि 0 के बाद ही जो टर्म आएगी वो पॉजिटिव टर्म आएगी. 0 हमने ले लिया यहाँ पर, ताकि 0 के बाद जो भी टर्म आएगी वो फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव टर्म होगी, राइट. व्हाट इज a? -2, 2, 2 and 2 plus n minus 1, and the common difference is 17. According to this, the value of n is 1 decimal में आ रहा होगा ना बेटा, 131.7. 131.7. 0 आ रहा है कहां पर? 130. It is 130.7. It is 130.7. पता ये चला कि 130.7 टर्म पर 0 आएगा और इसके बाद पॉजिटिव टर्म स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. तो therefore what is the value of n? The value of n is 131. The value of n is 131. Therefore the value of n is 131, and after that हमें 131 टर्म कैलकुलेट करनी है. So T131 equals to a is -2, 2, 2, 2 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 17. So the answer is 5. The answer is 5. This is 131. This is 131.7. So it will be 132nd term. Here it is 132, and after this the answer is 5. Right? Now, what we have in the B part? The first term of geometric progression is this, and the second term is this. First term is under root 3, and the second term is 2 cos theta. Find the set values of theta for which the progression is convergent. Find the set value of theta for which the progression is convergent. अब आप देखिए सेट वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा हमें निकालना है, प्रोग्रेशन कन्वर्जेंट हो, और कन्वर्जेंट प्रोग्रेशन कब होती है? व्हेन r is in between -1 and 1. When r is in between -1 and 1, तो हमारे पास कन्वर्जेंट आएगा, राइट। अगर यहां से कॉमन रेशियो कैलकुलेट कर लिया जाए तो कॉमन रेशियो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस विल बी 2 cos थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय √3, 2 cos थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय √3। अब अगर हम r की जगह पर रखते हैं 2 cos थीटा divided by √3, it is in between -1 and 1, it is in between -1 and 1। now अगर इन इक्वालिटीज को ब्रेक कर लिया जाए, लिखा जाए -1 2 cos थीटा divided by 3, second inequality 2 cos theta divided by √3 लेस देन 1। दो इनइक्वालिटीज बनकर आ गई हमारे, दो इनइक्वालिटीज बनकर आ गई हमारे पास। फाइंड आउट द सेट वैल्यूज ऑफ थीटा, फाइंड आउट द सेट वैल्यूज ऑफ थीटा, और थीटा रहना चाहिए इन बिटवीन 0 एंड पाई, थीटा रहना चाहिए इन बिटवीन 0 एंड पाई। सॉल्व करते हैं जनाब, इसको क्या हम लिख सकते हैं, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई √3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 cos थीटा लाइक दिस माइनस √3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, और इसको लिखा जा सकता है cos थीटा is greater than minus √3 divided by 2, and from this लिखा जा सकता है cos theta is less than √3 divided by 2। एक cos theta की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, -√3/2 से ज्यादा, और दूसरी वैल्यू क्या आ गई, √3/2 से कम। अगर हम वर्किंग करते हैं इसको ऐसे कि cos theta equals to √3/2, so what is the basic angle, what is the basic angle, cos inverse of √3/2, what is the basic angle, and it is in radians, pi by 6, pi by 6 वैल्यू आ रही, राइट। अब सुनिएगा, अगर यहां पर देखा जाए तो नेगेटिव वैल्यू है, और इस साइड पर देखा जाए तो लेस देन दिस, राइट। pi by 6 हमारी बेसिक एंगल आ रहा है, pi by 6। हियर नेगेटिव में अगर हम जाते हैं, cos नेगेटिव दिस एंड दिस, यहां पर आते हैं cos पॉजिटिव दिस एंड दिस। बेसिक एंगल क्या है हमारे पास, pi by 6। हियर pi by 6, हमें कहां से कहां तक रहना है, वी हैव टू मूव 0 to pi, 0 से लेकर 180 डिग्रीज तक मूव करना है, 0 से लेकर 180 डिग्रीज तक मूव करना है हमें। Okay, so here, so the basic angle is pi by 6. So according to the negative diagram, we have pi by 6 here. According to the positive diagram, we have pi by 6 here. इन दोनों डायग्राम्स को मैं कंबाइन कर रहा हूं जनाब। यहां पर आया हमारे पास pi by 6, और यहां पर हमारे पास आया pi by 6। According to this, ये जो एंगल आ रहा है हमारे पास, ये कितना बन रहा है हमारे पास, दिस इज 5 pi by 6। सो नाउ अब आप देखिए, जहां पर दोनों एप्लीकेबल है वो रेंज क्या हो जाएगी, इन बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा। इन बिटवीन दीज वैल्यूज अगर हम कॉमन रेशियो निकालते हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ फॉर्मूला वी ड्राइव्ड इन द क्वेश्चन, तो हमेशा वो 1 और -1 के दरमियान आएगा। Therefore, I am writing the final range of theta, and the final range of theta is in between 5 pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6। कहां तक, pi by 6 से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, और कहां तक मैक्सिमम जा सकते हैं, 5 pi by 6 तक जा सकते हैं। अगर आप 5 pi by 6 को अपने रेशो निकालने के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, तो या तो आंसर 1 आएगा या -1 आएगा। तो हमें मालूम हुआ कि हमें रहना है इन बिटवीन 1 एंड -1, तो देयरफॉर द मिनिमम इज 5 by 6 एंड द मैक्सिमम इज 5 pi by 6 are the range values of theta। Now this is question number 27। Now what we have in this question number 29, the question is of October November 15 paper 1-1। the first term of the progression is 4x and the second term is x squared। in the first part, for the case where the progression is arithmetic, with a common difference 12, find the possible values of x and the corresponding values of the third term. ठीक हो गया. First term क्या है 4x, second term क्या है x squared and so on. आपसे common difference आपको given दिया गया. The common difference is 12. How to calculate common difference in an arithmetic progression? X squared minus 4x equals to 12. X squared minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. What are the two values of x? 6 and minus 2. अब आप देखिए, for the case where the progression is arithmetic with a common difference this, find the possible values of x. Values are very possible. So now, according to this, if x is 6, then the arithmetic progression will be 24, 36, and so on. And if x is minus 2, then the arithmetic progression will be minus 8, 4, and so on. And now we have to calculate the third term. The third term will be, T3 will be a plus 2d. A is 24 plus 2, and the common difference is 36 minus 24 is 12, and the answer will be 48. And here it is T3 equals to a plus 2. The common difference is 12. This is 16. T3 हमारे पास दोनों conditions के लिए calculate हो गई. After that, in the second part, for the case where the progression is geometric, find the sum up to infinity. So now, let's say the first term is 4x, second term is x squared. The progression is geometric. For the case where progression is geometric with a sum up to infinity is 8, find the third term. So common ratio is x squared divided by 4x, which is equals to x upon 4. Now, sum up to infinity is given, which is equals to 8, and the formula is a upon 1 minus r equals to 8. 4x upon, by taking LCM, 1 minus x, 4 minus x upon 4 equals to 8. By cancellation, 4 2s are 8. X equals to 2 से multiply होगा 4 minus x over 4. Here it is 2 2s are 4. Cross multiply 2x equals to 4 minus x, and the value of x is 4 upon 3. If the value of x is 4 upon 3, then the common ratio will be, therefore the common ratio will be x upon 4. 4 upon 3 divided by 4. 4 upon 3 divided by 4. So the answer will be 1 upon 3. The common ratio is 1 upon 3, and a will be 4x. A will be 4x. 4 times x is 4 upon 3. So the value of the first term is 16 over 3. Therefore, sum up to what we have to calculate, the third term. T3 किसके equal है? AR squared. And what is A? A is 1 upon 3. Sorry, A is 16 over 3. And the common ratio is 1 upon 3 squared. What is the final answer? Final answer बता दीजिए. 16 over 27 is the final result for the third term.